1 and 41.
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find 41, 41, and 41 true. Is there an agreement?
There's Judge, we're asking that you grant the motion, adjudicate or revoke, and sentence her to 180 days in the state jail.
Is that the agreement?
That's correct, Judge. In addition, Your Honor, she completed she went to the My Health program from 9/21/21 to 1/18/22.
All right, so here's my question. Why should I give her the minimum sentence when she cut off her monitor and she absconded?
Enjoy the video, hit the like button.
0W, State of Texas versus Catherine Ragsdale. Can I have parties announced for the record, please, for the state,
Christian Newman on behalf of the state of Texas.
for the defense?
Todd Lessert for Ms. Ragsdale.
And are you Ms. Ragsdale?
Yes, ma'am.
We're proceeding by video because of the pandemic. Any objection from the state?
No objection, Your Honor.
Any objection from the defense?
No objection, Your Honor.
Ms. Ragsdale, I'm showing you a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Appear by Video. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you electronically sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily consented to appear by video. Counsel, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor, and I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Ragsdale, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you electronically sign it?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Next, I'm going to show you a document entitled Waiver of Indictment, Reading of Information and Rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you electronically sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to have a grand jury hear the evidence in this case and make a decision on whether or not to indict?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that your attorney has certain rights, namely 2 days from the presentation of the information and 10 days from the presentation of the information to prepare for trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, reading of information, and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Next, I'm going to show you a document entitled Information. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the information?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the information as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Everyone, just give me a moment. We're back on the record. Mr. Ragsdale, Ms. Ragsdale, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you electronically sign it at all the appropriate places?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what you're charged with by information is unauthorized use of a motor vehicle? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive PSI.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor, Ms. Ragsdale is definitely motivated to put this behind her. I think she's going to be a model probationer. I think that if the court goes forward and grants our plea bargain agreement with the state, that she'll be a great probationer.
All right, where's the dog? Was the dog returned, discovered?
No, my sister let the dog out, and I have no idea. So my sister was drunk and really, really drunk, and I have no clue. I can only ask when I get out and try to repay her and find out. Like you said, restitution involved the dog as well. I don't know if the dog had a tag to ask.
All right, does anybody know if the dog has been found? Or is he just wandering the streets?
I do not know, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. I don't know why you did what you did, Miss Ragsdale.
It's
Question mark.
There's no excuse. Family around. There's no excuse. I'm ready to do probation and what it is.
Okay, is there some sort of issue that's going on? Because I don't understand why somebody would take a vehicle with a dog in the car and drive away.
No,
I mean, what were the plans? Were the plans to sell the vehicle? Was it just a joyride? What's going on here?
I've been
And the
walking
reason
for a
why I
long-
ask these questions, Ms. Ragsdale, because I'm trying to figure out what are the appropriate conditions for you on probation.
Man, it was just that I had been walking a long time out there home. It was a hot day. The dog was in the car. It was hot. I saw it. I was upset. My sister, really and truly. My sister was like, "Don't throw me under the bus." And I'm like, man, it was just that. And I was also under the influence of substance abuse crime. And so just
All
I
right,
was wrong.
this-
plain and
all
simple. And well, I kind of need this probation, looking for a job, looking to get help getting into housing and do what I gotta do.
okay,
So
all right, this is
plan
what
to
the
stay
court is,
sober and do what I gotta do.
all right, this is what the court is gonna do. Court is gonna sentence her to 3 years deferred adjudication, taking the state of Texas versus Catherine Ragsdale. We're gonna have parties announced for the record, please, for the state,
Marcus Sanders.
for the defense.
Isidro Montoya, one.
And are you Ms. Ragsdale?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Ragsdale, I'm going to show you a document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Catherine J. Ragsdale who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 4630W for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle? All right, state.
On or about the 19th day of January 2022 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Catherine J. Ragsdale, did then and there fail to comply with the rules and regulations of the felony drug court, and that she cut the strap of her GPS device in violation of condition number 41.
All right, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
On or about the 19th day of January 2022 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Catherine J. Ragsdale, then and there failed to comply with the rules and regulations of the felony drug court, and that the defendant absconded from the Rosetta Key House in violation of condition number 41.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And on or about the 21st day of January 2022 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Catherine J. Ragsdale, then and there failed to comply with the rules and regulations of the felony drug court, and that the defendant failed to report to a scheduled drug court hearing in violation of condition number 41.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
We'll waive the remaining two.
Any
No
objections to the state's waivers?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations of conditions 41, 41, and 41? The court can find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? I'm sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations of condition 41, 41, and 41?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find 41, 41, and 41 true. Is there an agreement?
There's Judge West, in that you grant the motion, adjudicate or revoke, and sentence her to 180 days in the state jail.
Is that the agreement?
That's correct, Judge. In addition, Your Honor, she completed she went to the My Health program from 9/21/21 to 1/18/22.
All right, so here's my question. Why should I give her the minimum sentence when she cut off her monitor and she absconded from the program?
Does she wants to just put this behind her, Judge? And move
I mean, we
forward?
all do, but she absconded from the program and she cut off her monitor.
Yes, sir.
I'm not inclined to give her the minimum sentence for doing that. So I don't know if you all want to renegotiate, you can, but I'm not giving someone a minimum sentence for cutting off a monitor, absconding from a program, and now she wants the minimum, and everybody wants her to have a judgment satisfied. That's not happening here today.
Yes, sir.
So if you all want to reconsider and renegotiate, but I'm not giving her the minimum sentence.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. For the conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Ms. Ragsdale, you need to change your life. Otherwise, you're going to end up back here in some other felony court, maybe this felony court. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. I
All right,
agree.
good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
You're
Judge.
welcome.
We will be-